For my wet lash look today, I am taking over Caitlin's work. Our model Paige came in here a couple weeks ago and her lashes are holding on nice and strong, so we have about 50% retention. And I'm thinking because she still has so many lashes left, I'm going to follow a similar map to what Caitlin did. And I'm also going to be adding a little pop of purple into the set as well. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna add it along the bottom layer or the middle. I'll keep you guys updated with what I decide to do. But the goal for right now is to make sure that I go through all of the lashes and remove any that are grown out. To me, the most important parts of the set is the top layer and the bottom layer. The top layer is what builds the shape and the bottom layer will make that set look nice and dark. So I'm going to apply an eye pad over top of all of Paige's lashes and then I'm gonna weave out that top layer so I can begin building my shape. This also helps me identify all of those top layer lashes as well as the rogue lashes that sit higher up on her eyelid. This is gonna really help me plan out and build my set. So I'm going to apply my eye pad very close to the eyelid, because if I apply it too far, then that's gonna show the roots and I'm not gonna have a good enough contrast between my lashes and the eye pads. So I'm just grabbing my isolation tweezer. You can also use your pickup tweezer as well if you like. And I'm just tilting it to the side and gently weaving out those top layer lashes.